I'm gonna show you the problems I was having with my LG dryer. The filter would not push all the way down. And the problem was it was clogged up. So the only thing you need is a Phillips head screwdriver and something to clean out the lint. But as you can see, this filter right here, it wouldn't push all the way down. So what I had to do, just take it out and do a cleaning. And this thing hadn't been cleaned in maybe 6 months to a year. But the only thing you have to do, I'm gonna go inside the dryer, and it's 3 screws you need to take out. This Phillips head screw here, and you also have a Phillips head screw right here and one on the opposite end, which I'm gonna see if I can zoom in right here. So you take these 3 Phillips head screws out, and this filter cover comes right out. It's pretty simple to do. And the only reason I took it out so I can get my hand or something inside to clean it out. But you probably can get a vacuum and suck all that stuff out. But this is what came out. Terrible. But what was really causing my filter to not go all the way down, if you look inside here, it's this little U-groove right there where the filter pushes right in. It wasn't going all the way down, so make sure that is cleaned out really good. Once that's done, you can put the filter in, and you're gonna see how it clamps right in. It goes all the way down. Okay, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.